These are your dumplings, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
They're coming on quite nicely as well. I hope they're soft because you do know that I'm quite delicate, don't you? I'm quite fragile, so they need to be soft. Yeah, those are...
Yes, master.
Do you hear my mom is taking advantage talking about yes, master? That looks so good, honestly. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. Just so you know, it is Tanya indeed. I am so happy to have you here. For those who recently subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. There is a reason why you actually click subscribe, and there's a reason why you're still here. So for that, you're gonna stay here, okay? Because I've taken away your contract where you exit whenever you feel like it. It ain't gonna happen here. This is a permanent contract that we signed together. I'm going to give you this. So listen, different is good when someone tells you that you are different. Smile and hold your head up and be proud. Shall I go over that again? Different is good when someone tells you that you are different. Smile and hold your head up and be proud. Different is good when someone tells you that you are different. Smile and hold your head up and be proud. Don't feel like you're out of place because someone may say you are different, and don't feel, a little bit dismayed. Like, what do they mean by that? It is good when you are different, when you remain different, because guess what? They always say everyone is taken, which is true. If you hear the noise in the background, you already know what that is. Mother is in the kitchen, and I'm going to have my soursop tea leaves because I feel like it's what's really helping me, to be fair. So yeah, for those who engage with me in my last videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You continue to engage with me in the comment section. We build a community here, we build a rapport here, and that is very, very vital for each and every one of us. So yeah, I'm looking forward to breakfast, and yeah, I'll show you obviously what is being cooked for breakfast. Okay. This is liver, right? It's a chicken liver. Or is it a cow? Sorry. What's up with the look? Oh my god. Guys, you don't want to see the way that mommy gave me that look just now when I'm like, is a chicken liver? You're probably thinking to yourself, like, Tanya, you should really know this by now. That's very colorful. So we've got the cow liver there, and liver is something that is easily cooked, right, mommy? We've got the scotch bonnet pepper there, tomatoes there. Just a steam in it, the steam that.
If it's a little bit hard, you can just put a bit of kettle water, boiling water.
Okay. Yeah.
If it's a little bit,
If it's a little bit too hard. Okay. Yeah. That looks good. Guys, do remember you can actually follow my mom's Instagram page. It's Joanne Homemade Meals. Yeah, I posted a lot of great pictures there as well, isn't it, mommy? And a few videos. Not as much as before, but yeah. She just added a little piece of butter there. What would you have with your cow liver? Would you have it with ground provisions such as your boiled bananas, yam, sweet potatoes, and what else? No, but I'm asking them as well. Or would you have yours with fried dumpling? Yeah. I don't know.
fried dumpling.
Yeah, but we're not
And
even,
boiled banana.
but we're not even big on the fried dumpling. But because of the kind of living situation crisis here today, we're gonna sort it out with the fried dumplings. Yeah, that looks good. Because my mom has got the air vent thing on, so you can hear it. But hopefully you can hear me as well. So the look that mom gave me when I was like, "Is this chicken liver?" She's like thinking, "I'm sorry." No, we actually went shopping together. That is not the chicken liver. But don't keep track of these sort of things. Do you know what I mean? I'm here to help to taste and to identify what it needs. A little bit more salt. Does it need a little bit more spice? That's what I'm here for. So mom added her dumplings in the pot here. They look brown and nice. I think you're copying myself because the other day when you weren't well and I had to make the dumplings, right? Yeah. So these are the dumplings here. Just gonna wait for them, and then this start livering away. These are your dumplings, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
They're coming on quite nicely as well. I hope they're soft because you do know that I'm quite delicate, don't you? I'm quite fragile, so they need to be soft. Yeah, those are...
Yes, master.
Do you hear my mom is taking advantage talking about yes master? That looks so good, honestly. Got the rich soursop leaf tea as well. Oh my god.
And it is very nice.
Actually, it really tastes good. It reminds me of back home to the fair, guys. I'm not being funny. So honestly, it's the soursop leaves. It will be leaves in on the chest. Okay, so go and get yourself some soursop wherever you can and wherever you live. So your dumplings here, what university did they attend? Oh, Oxford. All right, I see. It looks like they were well taught and well disciplined around here. Yeah, okay.
And they're bright and intelligent.
Oh, they're bright and intelligent. My God, so conceited. Mom, fried dumpling went to Oxford. How do you grade her fried dumpling, guys? And are you a lover of fried?
Put the first mark now.
Oh, you like to
Like take them out.
Absolutely amazing. So your fried dumplings, and we had just a little small plantain left. So Mom just cut it up, and yeah, this is it. And we're gonna have it with our cow liver, because I may say chicken liver. Mom is gonna be like, what? Say what? Oh my God. Absolutely delicious and perfect. And this is breakfast being served. It is cow liver, it is fried dumpling, and it's a bit of plantain that we have here. Okay, so what are you having for your breakfast on Saturday? Well, yeah, great. Yeah, I don't want to show them that I've got skills in singing, right, Mom? Yeah. Well,
Show them. You have to show them.
gotta show you. All right, yeah, great, because I can't sing. Guys, if you've reached this far in the video and you've enjoyed us preparing breakfast, please engage as per usual in the comment section, and please just what are you gonna have for your breakfast, because we'd like to know as well. Thank you. I'd like my tea to be served in this lovely cup here, because I'm a queen. Is that all right? Okay, so you're gonna pour the soursop leaf tea in here, right? Because you know I'm the queen. Great, yeah. I need to tell Mom and remind her that she's given birth to a queen, and so when there's certain things, and then when certain things need to be done, it just needs to be done effectively, right? Great. So. So I'm gonna have the I'm gonna have breakfast now and stuff like that. I'm not a huge fan of fried dumplings, honestly. I'm really not, but when it is paired with certain things, I may just have to wrap it up a little bit.
Queen.
Mom is taking the mic. She's like, come queen. She, I mean, royalty around here. Yeah, great. So I'm gonna have anyway with our cow liver and our fried dumplings, and it better be soft. Great. And the soursop leaves tea. I keep saying that, soursop leaves tea. So that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. If you've enjoyed this video, you can give this video a like, tell your friends and your family about my channel. Once again, for those who don't know, my name is Tanya, and I'm so happy to have you on board. Okay. Great, thank you so much, Mom. Yeah, you've done excellent around here. Yeah, so again, just before I go, her dumplings, they were taught and they were graduated. Which university again? Oxford. Okay, Oxford. Oh, with master's degree, PhD and all. Yeah, yeah, all of them. So these dumplings are quite doctor, basically. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.